Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tax estimates into Planner CS tax workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Planner CS software on your computer. Locate the main dashboard and navigate to the Clients section. Select the client for whom you want to transfer tax estimates. Once you have the client open, look for the Tax Estimates tab. Click on the Tax Estimates tab to view the client's current estimates. Review the existing estimates to ensure they are accurate and up to date. Next, locate the Transfer button within the Tax Estimates section. Click the Transfer button to start the process of moving estimates into the workflow. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to confirm the transfer. Review the details in the dialog box carefully. Select the appropriate tax year for the estimates you are transferring. Once confirmed, click the OK or Confirm button to proceed. Wait for the software to process the transfer. A notification will appear once the transfer is successful. Go back to the main dashboard and navigate to the Workflow section. Locate the newly transferred tax estimates in the workflow queue. Verify that all estimates have been correctly integrated into the tax workflow. If necessary, make any adjustments to the estimates directly in the workflow. Finally, ensure that all relevant notes and documents are attached to the client's profile. You have now successfully transferred tax estimates into the Planner CS tax workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.